Hi guys, today actually I'm gonna put this up like this because I don't care if it's a weird angle and if I look like an egg from here. Anyways, last night, Friday night, I was going crazy. I literally ran downstairs, grabbed my car keys, walking to my car in the middle of the night. This was like 11:30. Where was I going, you might ask? I was going to CVS to buy box dye for my hair because I get these like anxiety attacks, like mental breakdowns. My hair is like, I love like the color, like I love it, but it's not in the healthiest condition right now. So I was freaking out. I said, the best thing to do is probably just dye it all one color again, let it grow out healthy, long, to my natural. Look at these pictures I came across. This is me. I look so ugly because I was 14. I was chubby, I had baby fat, whatever. But my hair was beautiful. I have no extensions. That's my natural hair color, my natural hair. That's when I first started like styling it up and like, cause I have really curly hair. Before that, I would always have it like in a bun. I would never style my hair. That's why I was so healthy when I would style it. But that's what I'm trying to get it back to. I'm going to be dyeing my hair really dark. I need to be washed and groomed because they've been hanging in my closet for like 39,000 years. So that's how dark my hair is gonna be when I dye it today. But right now it's like about to be 10 and is it about to be 10? I'm going to the gym because I need to get my workout on. I've been so into the gym, thank God, I feel so good. Like I'm just following these routines, these workout plans and just getting really into it and eating healthy and feeding my body nutritious foods and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. The reason I want to dye my hair this dark is so that I can wear my hair extensions. Like I don't want to have to buy all new hair extensions just for like my hair. Like what if it fades? What if it, like, I don't know, you know? So I just know that I really like my hair this color. This is my gym outfit today. I'm hitting some booty, hit, and cardio. So my booty's been getting like pretty lifted. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. I'm very excited about my progress. And of course my little slippers. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me when I'm dyeing my hair. This looks so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god. Dude, I feel so much better now. I'm more confident. Yay. Look at this, how pretty it looks.
You're back to you.
Yes, I love it. Oh my god. I'm gonna look so cute for tomorrow. I'm so excited. That's what I was worried about. I was like, I don't want to like feel bad, you know?
Yeah, like you were gonna color shop or something.
Dude, I love this. Thank you so much. This is Sophia, my hairstylist.
Hi.
She's the one that works her magic on me all the time. If it wasn't for her, I don't know what I would do. I feel so weird. Like I'm like, oh my god.
Long hair.
Yeah, long and dark. My hair is so dark. Like, look at this. It's so voluminous. I'm gonna straighten it a little bit because I don't like the volume that much. But anyways, today's Sunday. Today is the day of my sister's baby reveal party. So people are coming up to like set up and doing all that stuff. And my mom's gonna have someone come clean the house. And she's like, clean up your room if you want someone to come clean your room. And I kind of do, but I have clothes like spilling out of my drawers that need to be like folded to put back in the drawers because there's no way it's gonna fit that way. I have clothes on the floor. I have like look at this. I have to put all of this away. All of this away. I mean, it's not that much. Like, just look at this. Like, that drawer's a mess because I literally can't, like, my shirts just don't fit in anymore because I've been like rummaging through them these past couple of months. And then all of that is clean clothes. I have to put that away. So I gotta do that. And then I'm gonna get ready and put my hair extensions back in and curl my hair just to have like my hair ready. I feel like that's what's gonna take the longest. And I'm also gonna film my makeup today, so I need to set that up. And I have to do this all before 12:30 supposedly. And it is 9:25, so I don't know if I'm gonna get to do all of that, but I'm gonna try to clean this as fast as I can, and I'm just gonna do my best. So I'll catch you guys a little bit later. This looks so beautiful. She did this all by herself, and her husband helped her. This is Maddie. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here.
Hi guys.
She's the one that did all this beautiful work. It's so nice. Look at this. And they even put like some shine spray to make them even shinier. They look so pretty. Okay, so the people didn't come and clean, so I had to clean. This hair, I don't know. I need to brush this out. Like, it's looking too fake, kind of like too voluminous for me. I don't know. But I just did my hair, as you could see. Can you see? Yeah, it looks cute, but I do need to brush it out. I mean, I feel like you could tell it's hair extensions and other shit. But, yeah, I'm just gonna brush it out and see what happens. I feel like once I have my makeup done and stuff, it'll look better. So I ended up, like, cleaning. Okay, guys, it's dark, but all my other camera modes have not been working ever since I picked up my camera. I told you guys. But this is my OTD. Ooh, I'm so excited about my hair. And I'm wearing these shoes that I bought on Deppop. They're thrifted. Not thrifted, but they're like vintage. I'm so excited. Look how pretty it looks outside. Baby daddy! Ooh! Are you excited for another baby?
Another boy. I mean, girl.
A girl? But a boy too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're excited for either or. I forgot to film the reveal yesterday, but that's because my phone was on the camera stand recording everything because Nino, my sister's husband, wanted to send the video to his parents and he wanted like a clear shot. So I was worried about that, and I will post it. I'll insert the clip so you guys can see. It's really like, oh my god. I literally did not think that we were gonna have a little girl. I'm so excited. That's my coffee, by the way. That's my coffee. It's getting made right now. I'm gonna curate. But oh my god, I'm so excited to have a baby niece. Like, I love little girls so much. I love my baby nephew. He's not a baby anymore, but I love my nephew so, so much. But he just connects with my brother, like, so, so much. He's such a guy's guy. And I can't wait to have a niece that connects to me more. Little girls are way more spoiled by guys anyway, so we'll see how that goes. But oh my god, I'm literally beyond excited. Like, I can't find out to see what she's gonna look like. She could even look like me because I'm her aunt. So oh my god, that would be so cool. But oh my god, I'm just literally like, my heart was beating so fast. Like, I couldn't, oh my god, it's so dark. But I literally couldn't believe it. But I'm making my coffee. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna put in it. I put a little bit of this Coffee Mate sugar-free creamer. I don't have like almost anything. I don't think I have, like, I have turkey bacon and eggs. I guess that's enough, and toast and strawberries to have breakfast. But I'm like, I don't have anything because I don't have my egg whites. But I'm gonna have some coffee. So look at this weather. Look at the balloons, they're so cute. But look at this hideous weather. Like, would you be motivated with this weather? I need the sun. I need the sun to warm me up and shine through my window and let me know, girl, it's Monday. It's time for you to get your up and work out and do your homework and study and everything else you need to do and edit your videos and post your reels and just be motivated. Except this weather is killing me, but I'm really gonna try. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna do it. I'm not just gonna try, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drink this coffee, work on my homework, get as far as I can with that assignment, get dressed, oh, actually probably eat something after I'm done with that, and then get dressed for the gym, and then have my another coffee, go to the gym, get a real workout on, because Saturday I completed about like a third of my workout instead of like the whole thing, so it wasn't that great. But today I'm getting in it. Today's Monday. Today is my 4th week on this program. Okay, 3rd week, because the first week I feel like I got interrupted. So I started it week 1, and then my boyfriend came for a whole week, and I only went 1 day during that week. And then I started again the week when he left. So then this would be my 3rd full week, but in reality it's been 4 weeks, not consecutively. So that's why I don't know if I should count it. But anyways, I haven't weighed myself or anything because I don't feel good doing that anymore. I don't weigh myself. I've just been going at it at the gym, eating relatively healthy, literally 5 days out of the week. 2 days out of the week, I don't eat that healthy, but I don't like cheat all day and have like disgusting food all day. Like, I will have like one cheat meal like for 2 days. But anyways, that's not the point. Point is, I've been taking care of my body. I've been fueling it with good food, good sleep, lots of water, and a lot of exercise. Now it's time to work the noggin. Oh yeah, and I did my hair. Oh yeah, I forgot I told you guys already. Anyways.